Hello, this video explains the season for Capsim GlobalDNA round 1. With this strategy, we win on 8 rounds from round 1 to round 8. First, we look at industry condition report as usual, Capsim game, right? We look at industry condition report to check the product specification, and also we check the market growth rate for each location. America 6%, Europe 31%, for example, right? We check that for both product segments, and also we can get the overview of the price over 8 rounds for each product segment in the 2 or the 3 market location, America, Asia Pacific, and Europe. Now we look at the R&D decision. For R&D, we can add a new product in performance, not budget, in performance segment, because we have one budget product already, right? In the first 3 rounds, we will add 3 new products, or you can add 2 if you want, but 3 new products. And in later 5 rounds, we can lead the game in both high sale and high net profit. You can win with 3 products or 2 products, but 2 products or 3 or 4 products. Okay, so this strategy we use 4 products. Round 1 we add 1 more product, round 2, round 3, round 4 we add 1 more product. For each segment we have 2 products, right? And we take the left low corners. We can see the specification that customer prefer for each product in each segment. We see the price, age, and service life, and also for each product. And now we look at the marketing. We can see that, and the first decision is for marketing is decide the price. For the first round, the price is 34 for all the 3 market locations, America, Europe, and Asia Pacific. And we can use the Excel file to calculate. You can download the Excel file free, or just send the email to Win Simulation 2012 to get the Excel file supported for free. And we use Excel file to calculate the price to make sure that we set the price for all the 3 market location is around 34, 50% reduce 50 cents from the max price, right? With the Excel file you see on the screen, you can calculate the price very fast. And okay, just wait for the simulation to process. Alright, the price 34, and the new product, if you want to sell the product in Asia Pacific, we need to enable that. Click on the green button to enable selling in also in Asia Pacific, right? Even this market do not bring it doesn't bring the good sales right now, but it will support in the next round, because we need to increase customer awareness and also accessibility in promotion. That's long-term effects, right? The second product we just add F performance is not available from this round, but the earlier we add the product, the better we can sell the product in later rounds. Okay. And now we look at the sale focused. Sale focus is very important to win the game. We look at the right corner of the marketing screen, right low corner of marketing screen. We see the total market demand and also the growth rate for each segment. And for each product, we have 3 segments, 3 location, market location, and also we have 2 product segments. Then we need to calculate 6 times, right? Use the Excel file to calculate the market demand. And the most important thing in round 1 is that we have only one product, and we can sell to both segments. So this product actually belong to the budget segment, but we can sell also in the performance segment. The price too low, but it's okay, better sales than selling in only one segment, right? And from round 3 or 4 we can focus on the right segment. We do not use one product to sell in both segments from round 4 to the end of the game, but for the early rounds we can sell that too. So we adjust the expenditure for promotion and sales, and also for the regional marketing. so that we can increase customer awareness and customer accessibility. And now also for production, we also need to balance the production domestically and outsourcing the production. We do not sell the capacity because we will keep that capacity for the round 1, round 2 and round 3 when we get new product available. So we have enough capacity to sell to meet the market demand, including for the new developed product. Okay, we also increase automation slowly. We do not increase that too fast, because if we increase too fast, it will take longer time to sell the product, to develop the product in later rounds, especially for the third and the fourth new product. So we just increase to 4 and keep the capacity at 2000, as you see on the screen. And check on the top right corner, the orange or pink box. You can see that make sure that the capacity is under the limited budget, right? The investment budget. And we adjust the production and the outsourced to make sure that it can be 50-50, so 50% production internally and 50% outsourced, or you can use more production internally if you want. To make it simple, we can use 50%, and if you want to get more optimized result, you can adjust that and check the net profit in this finance. On the screen you see the finance, right? Finance decision. So for the first 3 rounds, this is round 1, we can use max 2 sources of investment from issuing the stock and also long-term debts. And we check the pro forma or estimated result, compare that with the result from last round. We can get good sale and good net profit in the first 3 rounds, and then lead the game with very high sale and high net profit from round 4 to round 8. Now we check on the decision again to make sure that we set the right promotion, right price, right promotion and sale focus cost. And also we check the focus and also the production. If you want simple, you can use 50% production internally and 50% outsourced, right? Do not sell capacity in this round, because we keep that for later rounds, because later round we get more product but limited investment for increasing production capacity. Thank you, good luck and success.